Hello to all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am presenting to you my first full-stack scientific model development project called Aqualite Engine 1.0. This cloud-based app is capable of carrying out advanced numerical modeling, satellite remote sensing, as well as machine learning analysis. You just need a device with an internet connection, and then you can use it on your web browser or through our mobile apps in Android and iOS. Without much delay, let's dive into the application demonstration. So, firstly coming to the mobile app, and here we are making an account, the username and the password, and then we need to log in using the password. Then firstly the forecasting mode, in which we are first creating a group to keep things a bit organized, and the group consists of a name, a description and a location. So once the group is created, then we go to the group and create a simulation, in this case the lake model, and then we select the time series file and select the forward mode and the upload file for the validation, and for the parameters we are again uploading a file. Then clicking on the next, selecting the error matrix and the solvers, and then we are waiting for the results, and the results are ready. So the results are in the form of a time series plot, and it shows quite good estimates of the water temperatures. Now coming to the comments, in which we can give real-time feedback for all the simulations. These comments are visible to all the users of this group, which can be used for any improvements in the model that can be carried out in the future. Now next, coming to the monitoring aspect, which is handled by Google Earth Engine. So again, similar to before, here first we need to create a group, and in this group we are just giving again the group name, the location and some description. Now once the group is created, we again need to create a new run, in this case for chlorophyll A, using Sentinel and the location of the area of interest along with some files. And then we select next, and here we are waiting for the results, which are ready, and the results are in the form of an interactive map, which can be used for visualization purposes, and then the results can also be downloaded in the form of an image. Now coming to the final section, which is the machine learning section, again similar as before, we need to create a group, and once the group is created, then we move on to the next section, which is creating the event or the simulation. In this case again, the lake model and the necessary files are selected, and the simulation has started. Now we are waiting for the results, and soon the results are going to be displayed in the form of the performance, and also in the form of a txt or YAML file that can be downloaded. So the YAML file basically is also a txt file, but in the form of a dictionary with key value pairs. Now finally coming to the web app, which is very similar to the mobile app, but here we are demonstrating the stream model and selecting the necessary files, and then we select the mode, and then we select the validation file, and finally the parameters file. And then here the backend has been handled by Django, and this app has been uploaded to Amazon Web Services. And then after selecting the parameters, we can see the results over here, which are very similar to as demonstrated before. Is also the monitoring module which we ran before, and the machine learning module which we ran before. So that's the end of the demonstration. I hope you guys like it. Bye.